Here's why I took this trade from Ethereum from almost the exact low at $1,464 over a month ago, have managed it through to the current high at about $2,200 and what I'm targeting next. For the last few weeks, I've been pointing out how we've had a potential stairs down, elevator up scenario where we've had just consistent downside here on Ethereum. Pair that with the sentiment being completely in the trash, everyone giving up on it, starting to dump their bags after holding for several years at this point. They had the tariff uncertainty around the entire market just a month ago. And yet so far now we've had over a 60% rally to the upside. Now here is what I was looking at beforehand. As we made our way down into this region, we came down and we actually took out the Q3 23 lows. So 2023, taking our gains all the way back 2 years basically and erasing it. And essentially we took that low right here. And on top of that, it was once again at the peak fear of tariff uncertainty and everything else around the market. Bitcoin is trading at 74,000. I noted to my community that we had put in a bullish bat pattern here, which is a harmonic, which is a sequence of Fibonacci's, which does come down, and the completion zone was perfectly placed right in that region here. And as soon as we reclaimed that area, I took the risk here. Once again, you saw that trade was entered, and that was just a short-term position essentially. I also stacked up on the spot holds as well, but you can see where the entry was, right basically at that 1464 area here. And from there, we were looking for a move back up to reclaim 1670 to give a little bit more confirmation to the upside. We then saw that a couple days back. We were consolidating just below this weekly swing failure pattern, which is essentially an area that we'd like to see reclaimed as well from that point to see any more upside after that. And from there, while there's 3 areas marked here on the chart, really there's only 2 major targets, and thus commences our elevator up scenario here where we've gotten those stairs down. We are now getting essentially that elevator up. The targets of this harmonic pattern is the 0.382 of the overall A to D, so just a simple Fibonacci retracement at that point, as well as the gold pocket and the B point, which the B point and gold pocket both align here. So the 0.382 is sitting also right at our quarterly average here. So this is the untapped quarterly average from last quarter, likely to be met this quarter. So there's a little bit of confluence here around that $2,400 mark. That is the first major target here. And then after that, I'll be seeking out the $3,100 target for this overall pattern. If you'd like more real-time updates before these big moves occur, be sure to join my private community. The link is in the description down below.